Hello students, welcome to online class by IITians Public School. Today we will be studying about the topic adolescence and puberty, lecture 2. I have already explained adolescence and puberty in the previous lecture, but in lecture 2 we will mainly focus on endocrine system. What is endocrine system? What is the function of endocrine system? What are the functions of the endocrine glands? What are hormones? We will study these topics. So first of all, the definition of endocrine system. What is endocrine system? Let's see. The endocrine system is a messenger system. Okay, what is it? What it is? It is a messenger system in an organism comprising feedback loops of hormones that are released by internal glands directly into the circulatory system and that target and regulate distant organs. Endocrine system is a system of glands. What are glands? Glands are some particular tissues which release hormones or produce hormones. So what are endocrine glands? Endocrine glands release the hormones directly into the blood. Directly into the blood. Endocrine glands release the hormones directly into the blood. So what is the function of hormones? What are hormones? Hormones होता क्या है? Mainly वो तुमको समझना है. पहले देखो ध्यान से एक बार और एंडोक्राइन सिस्टम होता है क्या? एंडोक्राइन सिस्टम एक मैसेंजर सिस्टम है किसी ऑर्गेनिज्म का जो मेनली फीडबैक मैकेनिज्म पे काम करता है और इसका मेन फंक्शन है हार्मोन्स को सीक्रेट करना डायरेक्टली ब्लड में. ठीक है, हार्मोन्स आर स्पेसिफिक केमिकल सब्सटेंसेस which have special functions or which are released by endocrine glands. Endocrine system consists of endocrine glands. Endocrine glands are also called ductless gland because they secrete the hormone directly into the blood, not any duct, not any blood vessel, directly into the blood. And this type of glands are called ductless gland or endocrine glands. Okay. Now move to the next. Let's move to the next slide. Okay, this is the diagram of the endocrine system or common endocrine glands in humans. So observe the diagram carefully. First of all, 1 minute. First of all, this is pineal gland. Okay, here the pineal gland is present, where there is also one of the important gland that is called pituitary gland. तो पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड का फंक्शन क्या हुआ हम आगे देखेंगे. मेनली पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड तुम्हारा हाइपोथैलेमस के नीचे, हाइपोथैलेमस इज द सेंट्रल रीजन ऑफ द ब्रेन, उसके नीचे तुम्हारा पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड रहता है. और उस ग्लैंड का मेनली फंक्शन क्या है? मेनली फंक्शन है उस ग्लैंड को, सभी ग्लैंड के फंक्शन को कंट्रोल करना पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड का फंक्शन है. दैट इज व्हाई पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड इज आल्सो कॉल्ड मास्टर ग्लैंड. ओके, दैट इज व्हाई पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड इज आल्सो कॉल्ड मास्टर ग्लैंड. ओके, now this is thalamus, hypothalamus, and below there is pituitary gland. Okay, now here near the neck region there is a gland called thyroid gland. Okay, thyroid gland. What thyroid gland do? Thyroid gland release a hormone called thyroxine. Thyroxine या thyroxine एक हार्मोन जो थायराइड ग्लैंड रिलीज करता है. इसका मेन फंक्शन है फैट, प्रोटीन्स और कार्बोहाइड्रेट का बॉडी में मेटाबॉलिज्म करना. Next is thymus gland, here in the thoracic cavity. Here adrenal glands. Adrenal glands release a hormone called adrenaline. Adrenaline is a hormone which is released by adrenal glands. Adrenal glands are present located above the kidneys. ठीक है, cup shaped organ or glands which are located above the kidneys. Adrenal glands release adrenaline hormone which is also called fight and flight hormone or which functions in emergency situations. कि अगर तुम्हारा बॉडी मतलब एड्रेनलिन अगर बॉडी में रिलीज होता है तो तुम्हारे बॉडी में क्या क्या इफेक्ट्स देखने को मिलेंगे. तो ब्लड प्रेशर हाई होना, शुगर लेवल हाई हो जाना, हार्ट बीट हाई हो जाना, स्वेटिंग आना, ये सब एड्रेनलिन हार्मोन्स के वजह से मेनली तुमको देखने को मिलता है. तो दैट इज व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड फाइट एंड फ्लाइट हार्मोन. द नेक्स्ट ग्लैंड इज also present in the abdominal cavity, that is called pancreas, one of the important gland. What is the function of pancreas? Pancreas release two hormones. Pancreas release two hormones. What are the two hormones? First is insulin, second is glucagon. First is insulin, second is glucagon. What is the function of insulin? What are the functions of glucagon? insulin, when the blood sugar level is generally high than normal level, then insulin is secreted by the pancreas directly into the blood. So what is the function of insulin? Insulin is secreted to control the high blood sugar level. That is the function of insulin. Second is glucagon. इसका ठीक ऑपोजिट कर दो. ग्लूकागॉन क्या करता है? अगर ब्लड शुगर लेवल, ये ब्लड ग्लूकोज लेवल जनरली लो हो जाए, तो उस समय ग्लूकागॉन सीक्रेट होगा एंड इट विल कंट्रोल द ब्लड शुगर लेवल. ओके, इंसुलिन कंट्रोल द हाई ब्लड शुगर लेवल और glucagon control the low blood sugar level. Okay, so that is the function of pancreas. The next two glands are also called gonads. Okay, the next two glands are also called gonads. Gonads are the primary reproductive organ of the male and females. For example, in males, in females ovaries is present and males testis is present. What are the function of ovaries? What are the function of testis? So I have already explained in chapter reproduction. You have already read about it. Ovaries release hormone called estrogen. ये estrogen बोल सकते हो, which are responsible for the production of ovum and also responsible for the secondary sexual characters in females. Second is testis. Testis is the male reproductive organ. It is also a gland. Testis is responsible for the production of sperm daily in millions amount, and it is also responsible for the release of hormone called testosterone. That is why testis is also a gland. It is also responsible for the secondary sexual characters in males. मतलब मेल में जो मेल फीचर्स दिख रहा है because of testis, and females में जो फीमेल फीचर दिख रहा है because of ovaries. These are the common glands, endocrine glands in humans. Now let's move to the next slide and last slide of our video. हाँ, तो एक बार ग्लैंड्स का फंक्शन देख लेना. तो पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड का बताया मैं तो फंक्शन तुमको कि मेनली वो मास्टर ग्लैंड है और ग्रोथ हार्मोन सीक्रेट करता है, बॉडी की ग्रोथ के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल है. सेकंड इज थायराइड ग्लैंड. Thyroid gland release two hormones, thyroxine and calcitonin. Thyroxine regulates the metabolism and temperature, and calcitonin inhibits the release of calcium from bones. Second is below thyroid, there is one more gland, that is parathyroid gland. What does parathyroid gland release? Parathyroid hormone. What is the function of parathyroid gland? It stimulates the release of calcium from the bones. Second is isolate cells in the pancreas. Pancreas का function mainly यहाँ बता रहा है. तो pancreas release two hormone, insulin and glucagon. Insulin decrease the blood sugar level, promoting uptake of glucose by cells, and glucagon increase the blood sugar level by stimulating breakdown of glycogen in the liver. Next is testis. Testis release testosterone hormone, regulates sperm cell production and secondary sex characteristics. Next is ovaries. Ovaries release two hormones, estrogen and progesterone. Estrogen stimulates the egg maturation, controls secondary sexual characteristics in females, and progesterone prepare the uterus to receive and fertilize egg. Next is adrenal medulla or adrenal gland. The adrenal gland is mainly responsible for fight and flight situations. It stimulates flight and flight response. Next is adrenal cortex. Glucocorticoids, part of stress response, increase blood glucose levels and decrease the immune response. Example, cortisol, which help to regulate metabolism, regulate करता है और help our body to respond to stress. Next is aldosterone. It is also released by adrenal cortex, regulates sodium content in the body. Next is pineal gland, which releases melatonin hormone, controls sleep cycles, reproductive cycles in many mammals. Okay, these are some important glands which are present in endocrine glands which are present in humans, which release hormones or endocrine hormones. तो मेनली तुमको करना क्या है आज के क्लास में? आज का होमवर्क क्या है तुम्हारे लिए? नोट्स को प्रिपेयर करो, नोट डाउन द फॉलोइंग फ्रॉम द गिवन स्लाइड्स, टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट्स और एक बार रोज नोट्स रिवाइज करना और क्वेश्चन अब नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम देंगे. और फॉर टुडेज थैंक्स.